Hello, my name is Shantae, and today I have 3 remote work from home jobs that I have to share with you. If you haven't done so yet, please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help. I will greatly appreciate it. I also have a Facebook group, which is WFH Mom Squad on Facebook, of course. All right, so let's go ahead on and get into it. The first remote work from home job that I have to share with you is going to be with Mosaic. And one second here. All right, so Mosaic is looking for a patient enrollment representative. Now, for this position, the requirements is going to be a high school diploma or GED, at least 1 year of contact center, patient-facing provider, like doctor's office or customer service experience is required. Prior experience with CRM systems, data entry skills, enrollment communications, quickly learning online management software platform while multitasking on calls is strongly preferred. It's a full-time remote position working from home, Monday through Friday, 40 hours a week, anywhere between 9 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Eastern, and Saturday 10 to 2. The pay for this position is $18 to $20 an hour. The second remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you is with Health Advocate. Health Advocate is looking for a customer care associate. Now, with this particular position, the requirements for it, they want you to have at least 1 year of customer service experience, be able to explain complex information clearly and maintain your professionalism, manage multiple member requests while maintaining attention to detail, be proficient with Microsoft Word, Excel, and call documentation tools, and open to training and building expertise in healthcare plans, systems, and regulations. Now, the pay for this position is $16.50 per hour. All right, and before I go into the third remote work from home job, I'm going to share with you one of my products. So I do send out weekly remote job listings in which I'm not able to tell you about here because there's so many to list. So you can sign up for it. It is a monthly membership. That monthly membership is $9.99, and you will be sent those weekly remote job postings immediately once you sign up. And then you will also get them every Monday. All right. And the website to get that is going to be momsquad8.gumroad.com/L/VXDCMF. And I also have a remote job application kit for those of you that are new to remote work from home jobs. It has all the resources that you need in order to be successful with finding a remote work from home job. That is located at momsquad8.gumroad.com/L/RAOZD. All right, so the fourth remote work from home job that I'm going to share with you is with Amazon. Amazon is looking for a customer support specialist for their luxury stores. Now, for this position, they do want you to have 2 years or more experience within a luxury customer service focused environment, excellent verbal and written communication skills, and be confident. With this position, the pay starts off at $35,360 a year. Yeah, that's what it has. All right, so this is the remote work from home jobs that I'm sharing with you today. Please like, share, subscribe, follow my videos for more content like this because it really does help. Once again, Facebook group, WFH Mom Squad. Thank you guys for watching. Be blessed.